Have you ever been scrolling through remote job listings, getting all excited, and then you see it 5+ years of experience required? Yeah, your heart just sinks. But listen, you're not alone, and that is definitely not the end of the story. Today, we're gonna show you exactly how to break into the remote job market, even if you feel like you're starting from scratch. Let's dive in.
You know, it usually starts with just one simple question. And I'm willing to bet it's a question a lot of you have asked yourselves when you're just trying to get your foot in the door of this whole online world.
This question, from a 20-year-old student over on Reddit, it is so relatable, right? It's that feeling of just wanting to earn a little something extra, maybe cover a few bills, and honestly, just to see if this whole making money online thing is even real. We've all been there, wondering where on earth to begin. But here's the thought, what if aiming for just $5 a day is thinking way too small? What if, right now, there's a huge global market out there that is actively looking for people with your skills? So let's talk numbers, because this isn't just a hunch. It's a fact. The opportunity out there isn't just big. It's growing like crazy, as more and more companies realize they can hire talent from anywhere. And the data totally backs this up. Just take a look at this. This is from the Online Labor Index, which tracks the global demand for online freelance work. Between 2016 and 2021, the market grew by a staggering 90%. 90. This isn't just some little trend. It's a fundamental change in how we work. And this wasn't just a fluke, a one-time surge. That massive growth breaks down to a steady 10% increase year over year. So what does that mean for you? It means this is a stable, growing market where you can build a real, actual career. Okay, so the opportunity is absolutely huge. But you're probably thinking, great, but where do I fit in if I don't have any formal experience? Well, let's break down exactly what's out there for you. So there are really two main paths you can take here. On one side, you've got quick gigs. Think surveys, little micro tasks. They're great for making some cash right away. But on the other side, you have career starters. These are the entry-level roles that can be the foundation for a real long-term remote career. Let's dig into some of those career starters. So, if you're a natural organizer, the person who loves schedules, to-do lists, and just making sense of chaos, then a role like an administrative assistant, a bookkeeper, or a virtual assistant could be perfect for you. These jobs are all about keeping things running like a well-oiled machine. Or maybe you're a people person. If you're a great listener and you just know how to talk to people, oh man, there is a huge demand for you in roles like customer service, chat support, or as a call center agent. Companies are always looking for people who can really connect with their customers. Got a creative spark? The online world is constantly hungry for new content, and there are tons of entry-level opportunities in things like writing, graphic design, and social media. You don't need a fancy degree for this stuff, just your creativity and a real willingness to learn. What if you're someone who just has an incredible eye for detail? You spot every typo, every little glitch? You can actually get paid for that. Seriously. Companies are always looking for people to test their apps, their video games, and their websites. It's kind of the perfect job for a perfectionist. Now, you might be thinking these are just low-paying side hustles, but check this out. According to data from FlexJobs, these so-called no-experience roles can lead to real careers with some pretty solid salaries. I mean, we're talking way more than just $5 a day here. So, the jobs are out there, and they can pay well. But how do you actually, get one? Here's a super simple 4-step plan to help you land that first remote job. Okay, here's your roadmap. It's 4 simple steps. Reframe your skills, build your portfolio, find and pitch the right jobs, and never stop learning. Let's break each one down. First up, let's change our mindset. This whole idea of no experience is a total myth. You have valuable skills. Think about your soft skills, like communication or problem solving, and your transferable skills, things like scheduling, data entry, even managing personal projects. Everything you've done counts. All right, next, you need to show them what you can do. A portfolio is your proof. And you don't need a previous job to have one. You can write some sample blog posts on Google Docs, or offer to write a guest post for a blog you really like. Your portfolio is your chance to really shine. Okay, now for the fun part. Let's find those jobs. Instead of getting lost on those huge, overwhelming job boards, try focusing on niche sites that specialize in remote work. And hey, don't forget the power of social media. LinkedIn and X can be amazing places to connect directly with hiring managers. And finally, step 4. Never, ever stop learning. There are so many free and affordable online courses out there that can seriously boost your skills and make your application pop. It shows you're serious and committed to growing in your new career.
So, we've seen the opportunities, we've looked at the jobs, and we've got a plan. Now, let's bring it all together.
Really, the key to all of this is to redefine what experience even means. It's not just about what you've been paid to do in a formal job. It's about everything you've done, everything you've learned, and everything you've created. Your experience is your whole story.
You have the skills, you have the roadmap, and you absolutely have the power to write your own story. So the only question left is, what's your next chapter going to be?